In this video, I'm going to show you how to change velocity in Serato Studio. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to add a new deck, or you could also use an existing one. And of course, you want to add some notes on here, or of course, whatever. So I'm just going to go and add some sample ones. I'm going to go to instruments, and I'm just going to use, for example, one of these. I'm going to do this piano over here, which I do think it's here. There we go. So I'm going to click and drag it, and I'm going to add some notes, just like this. There we go. And then whenever you've done this, you want to go ahead and hold down your control key. So when you hold down your control key, you can see the velocity is going to pop up above all these notes. So when you hold down your control key and then click and either drag up, it's going to go up, or if you drag down, it's going to go down, okay? So that's how to change velocity in Serato Studio. Super simple, just hold down your control key and then click and drag up or down on a specific note. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.